The Haylou MoriPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the MoriPods by Haylou. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide and a Type-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3040 chipset, AAC, SBC aptX codec, and CVC for noise reduction. 12mm drivers, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. It also comes in 4 colors: blue, white, black, and pink. The case has a slim, compact design. It has a white matte finish and it's easy to grip. On the side, you have the branding. The front of the case, you'll find the status LED light. And on the bottom is the USB-C charge port. The lid has a snappy feel to it and it's easy to open and close. I found the earbuds a bit hard to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have a semi-in-ear design, along with a stem similar to the Apple AirPods. It has a glossy finish all around. The outside face has the logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, LED, touch control, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 1.8 by 1.8 inches by 0.9. It weighs in at 34 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember?
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Haylou MoriPods microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and you can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be comfortable due to the semi-in-ear design. You won't feel pressure in your ear canals and you can wear them for extended periods of time. It does lack a bit of support just like the Apple AirPods, so they can easily fall out if you decide to use them for workouts. Build and quality is decent, pretty much in line with what you would find at this price point. Case and earbuds feel durable with a simple look and feel. Touch controls can be a bit sensitive as running your hands around the touch control surface can trigger the functions. Battery life is fair at 6 hours and 24 total with the case. I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating. Now when it comes to sound, I felt that it was a bit underwhelming. The bass has its presence, it's not the heavy deep bass. Mids and highs sound a bit too pitchy and not natural. It could have used a bit more separation. It just sounded flat to me. Overall, I feel the earbuds are just okay, nothing exceptional. So that is my review of the Haylou MoriPods True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.